जो मुस्कुरा रहा है उसको दर्द ने पाला होगा, जो चल रहा है उसके पाँव में छाला होगा, जो मुस्कुरा रहा है उसे दर्द ने पाला होगा, जो चल रहा है उसके पाँव में छाला होगा, बिना संघर्ष से कोई इंसान चमक नहीं सकता, जो जलेगा उसी दिए में तो उजाला होगा। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। माय नेम इज पूजा कुमारी। टुडे इज माय presentation session. You guess my topic? Okay. Yes, you are guess right. My topic name is Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is a very famous businessman. You know that Ratan Tata is a very famous and all time do the very hard work, and this person born 28 December 1937, and this is a very biggest, and this person have a no any family, only grandmother have a childhood and this is a very hard work, and this is a different types of company launched by, and the very famous company is a Tata Salt and Motor Cars, and all company is a named relative as a Tata, because Tata is a very famous, and different types of company launch, and a company is a very famous and day by day grow, and this company is a different types of, as a steel company and a Tata Salt company and motors car and motors bike and different types of company, and this company is a very famous company is a Tata Salt, and second company is a famous and a motors Tata Motors, and different types of, and this is a very youngest person, oldest person, and now time is a dead, now time some time ago this person have a dead died, and 9 October 2024 October this person is a died, and this person born in Mumbai, and this is the famous on and different types of company business, and all as a America company as a owner, and America company and China company, all companies are 1 and 2 month owner, and then after leave the company, and on company launch by 7 company on by launch, but 7 company is a very grow, and as a 30 plus company is a honored, and but 7 company is a very famous, and 7 company is a on company and on launched by, and this all company is a different types of, but 7 company is a very different, and 7 company is a this person has a on launched by 1971, and this company is a different types of, and one company is a employed by 1,000 approx, but all girls and boys, every person do the work, and this company, and this person is a very do the hard work, but person have a power thinking is the very good, and all time do the anything, the thinking is the new, because how grow the my company, and how famous on my company, and very grow, and all time do the hard work, but on live life no, but the poor person all time give the money and donates on society, all time 1 month by donates money, but one big income by 17,042 lakh, and all time do the hard work, but all time thinking power is the good, and do the hard work, and all time going to here and there, and then after look the other company, and see the different types of think, then after apply on company, and but no any person, no any businessman knuckle, and on thinking and on depend on the on company, and how grow on company, but this person is the only do the hard work only honestly, and all company is a leadership, and this person is a Tata Group is the very biggest oldest person, that's the main reason is the very good knowledge, and knowledge is the very good, and all this person is a MBC, and that's a course big course do the, and then after no any give the job, no any company person no give the job, no do the hard work, then after on job on company launched by, and this person is a very famous, and this person is live the childhood, but childhood time no any parents suggest, but on life on work do the work, then after on study complete, and on company on company launch, and now time is the very famous company, and this is the very famous person, and all person know that this person name is a Ratan Tata, and Ratan Tata is a very good, and this is a not time died, and this is the very famous person. So thank you.